Gospel of Luke chapter 10 verses 21 to 24. Reflections. Life unveils treasures, beautiful, precious, and deeply meaningful. Sadly, we often miss out on such pearls of life due to our ignorance or distractions of life. God sought to write a perfect script for humanity, but human beings, by their disobedience and pride, chose to malign this script and failed to recognize the Lord. The disciples were, however, given the special privilege to behold the Messiah. The Messiah is very much present in our world, especially in the most holy Eucharist. Do we acknowledge this mighty presence of the Eucharistic Lord? Does the Lord sometimes fail to receive our due honor, attention, and time? Amidst life's trials, the Eucharist stands as our strength and empowers us with courage, joy, and peace. Let's cherish this treasure, echoing the divine call. Blessed are those who see.